We got speaking with the Mercure early last year, where they had this problem where they had their new contract rates come out for their power bills. So they were really looking for a way to absolutely smash that issue that they were facing. So we came in, designed a solution, and now we're installing a brand new state-of-the-art system with all brand new components, brand new panels, and absolutely filling their roof. The system that they had in the first place probably wasn't fit for purpose. Hotels, as a rule, consume loads and loads of power, and this system was just way too small, and it would have been even when it was first put in. The reason that we chose this system that we did for the Mercure really came down to the limitations of the site. It's a really big site, but it has really small roofs. So what we did was we took the available space and then we absolutely maximized it as best we could to fit within the design limitations of the building, which is why we've come in and over tripled the size of what was there originally. So the new panels that we're using on the Mercure are from Astronergy. They're double glass bifacial, which means that they'll produce more power even from the underside of the panels than what is listed on the label of the panel itself. So while we've designed a system that's 100 kilowatt for the Mercure, potentially they'll be getting even more just from the bifacial capabilities of this panel. So Meridien works with businesses of all sizes. We work with hotels such as the Mercure, we work with retail chains such as Total Tools. We also work with builders of all sizes all over South East Queensland, but there's no business that's too big or too small for us to work with.